Back locally now, Montego Bay United hold the upper hand against Tivoli Gardens following the first leg of their quarter-final playoff in the Royal Jamaica Premier League at the Stadium East Complex on Friday. And it's still equal between Cavalier and Portmore United, who ended 1-1 in their contest.
With 35 minutes already played from Thursday, Montego Bay United and Tivoli Gardens went at it as they sought to grab the advantage ahead of the return leg on Monday. They played out the remaining 10 minutes of the half without conceding, but the deadlock was broken 11 minutes into the second stanza. Owain Gordon firing home this free kick to put MBU in the lead. But you don't write off a Tivoli team, and they reminded everyone when Rashawn Oldfield beat goalkeeper Devon Burton in the 73rd minute to send the supporters into a frenzy. However, that frenzy turned into a frown when Jordan Fletcher, who was given all the invitation to score, slammed the door on Tivoli for the night as they will go into Monday's return fixture with the advantage.
It's very important that we got this win and we have to play more organised again and get more goals. I think tonight the Tivoli team, they remember racing. Let us keep coming. But so long as we can play our game and get some goals, we different as a team, attack as a team and score some goals. Yeah, we get goals and become victorious.
But I think, our goalkeeper should have helped us because, that's a soft goal. But we still have 90 more minutes to play. If you analyze the game, it was really the error that was made in defense. And at this level, remember, it's a playoff now. We can't afford to make those mistakes.
Portmore United went into their game against title holders Cavalier as the outside favourites, but they were the one who bossed the game in the early stages. If it was a boxing match, Cavalier would have been swollen before they landed the first blow. It was from one of those early presses which resulted in the 7-time champions taking the lead, Ronaldo Robinson with a big goal on the big stage. But after taking the lead, they went napping, and Cavalier fought back to level things in the 34th minute through Jerome McCleary as honours are even going into the return leg.
I think the first 20-25 minutes we were really dominant and could have scored more than one goal, but we didn't take our chances.
We picked up a formation that we have never seen them play, 4-4-2. Again, it took some adjusting because we noticed they were the 3-4-3 team or they played 4-3-3. So again, that was a little problem for us to pick up because we didn't set up to deal with it. So once we saw that, we adjusted and we were able to compete on an even keel by the end of the first half.
The playoffs will return to Sabina Park on Monday, with Cavalier and Portmore taking the field at 6 p.m. for the first encounter, while Montego Bay United and Tivoli Gardens will do battle at 9. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, CEO